Hi there, my name's Olivia and I'm from the Olivia Collective. I'm very excited to be presenting to you today our design scheme for Mokosh Skincare. A little bit about Mokosh. They're a certified organic skincare company. They're located in Western Australia and they are an online brand. They do, however, have a few boutiques that stock some of their products, but nowhere that is completely full of everything that they've created. Mokosh has decided that they want to represent health in a deeper meaning and understanding. They want to provide this knowledge to their clients by letting them know that health isn't just what they put on their skin, but it's what you eat, how much you exercise, and they want to encourage everyone to follow in the beliefs that they have. Mokosh has asked us to create a flagship store for them. This will have 2 levels on it. The ground floor will be somewhere where they've got a hospitality area, which we've decided to incorporate a juice bar because that really reflects what they want to achieve with their clients understanding the full vision of what health really is. There's an area for their products, and on the top floor we've got a think tank meeting room, a head office, a kitchenette, a welcome space, and there's a few little things that they've asked for, but I'm going to go through and show you how it all looks in person. A little bit about the site. The site is 47 George Street, The Rocks in Sydney. This is a heritage building, so there was some limits on design. However, we've been able to manage to work into it all the things that they've wanted and still kept the structural side of things. It's a very beautiful building, and everything to the right is pointing north. They are not too far from the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So this is where the location is, and the Sydney Harbour Bridge is just here. So they really are in a prime location. This is a really busy street and there's always pedestrians on it. So it's really great for them to sort of get their clients in and show them what their store looks like and introduce them to their products as well. This is the floor plan for the ground floor. As you can see, we've done a little render of it so you get a better understanding of the finishes we've used. We've got a little custom joinery piece, which you can see here, the 3D version, which is this leaf shape. This is a really beautiful idea that we thought would fit perfectly with Mokosh's, their brand, and something that would really represent them with the leaf and all the natural type of feel. A few of our finishes for this, we've got our herringbone floors, which are absolutely stunning. We've got our timber finish in the shade earth brown, which is what we've been using for all of our custom joinery. So the leaf style one here and all of our custom joinery around the sides. We've also got the green herringbone tiles in the floors in the bathrooms, which are just perfect. They suit the colour palette beautifully, and we've stuck by this one that Mokosh has approved of. On the ground floor, we also have the juice bar and the POS area. This is absolutely stunning. We've been able to bring lots of depth to the room by adding in the pendant lights. Everything's incorporated, so the colour and the shade of the stools, everything is knitted together to all represent Mokosh's brand. We've got this extra tile here, and this one's going to be used as a splashback up the top. And we've also decided to keep the natural brick walls and just colour them in a Dulux white colour shade to just tie it into the colour scheme. This is a 3D version of it, so you can get a better understanding of what it looks like in person. This here you can sort of gain a better understanding of the size, all the ergonomics that went into deciding where everything went. This is the POS area here and a little bit behind the juice bar. Here we've got another one just to show more to scale, so you can see sort of the height of things and gain a better understanding of what it is to have someone in the room and what it looks like. On the ground floor as well, this is our custom joinery section. We've created this using the timber finish earth brown. This is constructed to fit beautifully. We've added lots of fiddle leaf and palms, and we really want to fill the space with lots of plants just to bring it all the natural elements out. We've also got our lampshades over in the bar seating area on the right as well. And as you can see what it looks like with all of the product in it, and it looks absolutely stunning, and it really complements the colours of the Mokosh brand. The floor plan for the first floor is a little bit different. We had to incorporate more spaces. We've got an area over here with some stand-up desks and also some little cubicles. Then we've got some private cubicles in here, and then our main head office with some custom joinery. I will give you a better look at these in the next couple of slides to show you more of a 3D version. This is our think tank and meeting room. We've brought up the colour shade, the colour palette to a lighter one. We've decided to keep the wicker lamps in here. We've got the walnut oak to use for our custom joinery, which is absolutely beautiful. We've got our herringbone floorboard still. Our walls have the natural brick wall with the white Dulux paint over the top, and that will be all through here. And then we've also got the timber finish earth brown custom joinery for the desk, the table for them to have meetings at and things like that. This is the main office. This is our final one that we've given you a better 3D design of. This one we've got some white vertical wall cladding made out of timber. This is a beautiful element to bring depth into the room. We've kept with the same colour palette, and we've got the person in there to show you better scale and understanding. Our custom joinery out of the same timber as the other room, and we've also got the walnut oak joinery for the cupboard on the side. So for our final one, we've just done a little bit of a flat lay to show you a better understanding of all of these sort of the finishes that we've chosen and how they work so well together. They're absolutely stunning, and we know that you'll really love the colour palette we've chosen. I hope you enjoy our presentation and take a further look at the documents that we've given you to gain an understanding of the dimensions and everything that you need to know. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you in the future.